Facebook login my account or open now. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log in or maybe just open up your Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to log in or maybe just open up your Facebook account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application over here. Now let's say that you don't have an account, because to log in you need to create an account. So if you have not created an account, you can just come to the create new account option. Make sure to tap on get started, enter your first name and your last name, and also make sure that you actually have either your email address or your phone number, because if you don't have neither of those you will not be able to create a Facebook account. And also make sure you're over 18 years of age. Now assuming that you already have an account, right, in this case you can just come back to Facebook here, tap the option called login to another account if you'd like, and now you can simply go ahead and enter your email as well as your password and then tap the login option in order to log in to your Facebook account. This way you'll be able to log into Facebook and open a new account as well. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.